In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Udemy certificate as PDF on desktop. If you've just wrapped up a course and want to save or share your certificate, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can get it in a clean, printable PDF. Start by logging into your Udemy account using a desktop web browser. Any modern browser will work, but keeping it updated helps avoid download issues. Once you're signed in, open the course you've completed. Your certificate becomes available only when every curriculum item is marked complete, so check that your progress shows 100%. That includes lectures, quizzes, assignments, and any other required items. If something isn't marked, open it briefly and complete, or mark it done, so the progress bar reaches 100%. When the course is fully completed, look near the top of the course player for a trophy icon or a notification banner that indicates your certificate is ready. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page after marking the last item complete. This usually triggers the certificate status to update. Next, inside the course, go to the Overview section. Here, you'll find the Get Certificate button. Click it to open the certificate viewer. This page shows your name, the course title, and the completion date as they'll appear on the certificate. It's a good moment to confirm your account name is spelled correctly in your profile, since that's what appears on the document. In the certificate viewer, look for the Download button, typically located near the bottom right of the page. Click Download, and you'll be offered file format options. Choose PDF to save it. Some browsers will show a Save dialog where you can pick the folder and file name. Others may automatically place it in your Downloads folder. If you're prompted with both PDF and JPG, PDF is best for printing and professional sharing because it preserves layout and quality. After the download completes, open the PDF to make sure everything looks right and the file isn't corrupted. Keep a copy in a safe folder or a cloud drive so you can access it later. Your downloaded PDF is the official Udemy Certificate of Completion, which you can save, print, or share with employers and on platforms like LinkedIn. Note that certificates are generally available for most paid courses, and they represent course completion rather than formal accreditation. That's it. Log in, finish the course to 100%, open Overview, click Get Certificate, and download as a PDF. You're all set to showcase your achievement.